It is a great pride and honor to have experience as Chief of Police in a city like Batak City, which since it is called the home of great leaders in our country. Last Monday, I graduated as their leader and brother here at the station. And from the bottom of my heart, I am very grateful to the people who supported my mission and endeavor during my stay as the Chief of Police of this city. To our energetic Mayor of Batak City, Engineer Albert Dagyo Chua, sir. Unang-una, sir, nagpapasalamat po ako, sir, sa pagtanggap mo sa akin dito sa Batak City noon. Tanawin ko na utang na loob po yan, sir. Your leadership is one of a kind. And in behalf of PNP Batak, we are very thankful, sir, for your unending support to this station. With your logistic and financial support, the mission of the PNP will not come into reality, most especially in the implementation of laws and ordinances in the city towards the attainment of a peaceful and orderly community. Maraming salamat po, sir. Then to the City Council headed by our Vice Mayor, Attorney Wendell D. Chua, sir. The DILG, the CDRMO, CHO, the GSO, BFP, the BGMP, barangay officials, stakeholders, and support groups. Pagpasensyahan nyo na hindi ko lahat maisa-isa mga pangalan. Then, basta maraming salamat po, sir and ma'am, sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa PNP. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aming mga nagawang pagkukulang man. But overall, thank you for all your assistance to this station in pursuing public safety. To our naliptak nga Provincial Director iti Ilocos Norte, Manong PT Police Colonel Frederick Eslava Obar, sir, who always guiding me on all my shortcoming. Thank you, sir, for the trust, wisdom, and leadership you've shared to me. You have always proven to us that despite of the source of our commissionship, your leadership had always been fair without favor to all, sir. Maraming salamat, sir. I also give thanks to the previous PT, Police Colonel Julius Suriben and Police Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan Papay for their trust and guidance. And of course, to the member of the City of Batak Police Station family who supported my endeavors starting from my Deputy Chief of Police, Police Captain Angeline Aguinaldo, and Police Lieutenant Edwin Portugal, my Chief Operation and Intel, and our CESPO, PEMS Noel Quepo, and to the PNP personnel of Batak City. Maraming salamat sa suporta na inyong ipinakita sa aking pamumuno sa inyo. Hindi ko man na-meet ang iyong expectations, but I've tried my very best to contribute with my ability to influence and lead you with all my heart. Ang alam ko lang is I've done my best to contribute in the peace and order of the city and to our police station. Kasi noong unang pag-upo ko dito sa station, yan ang unang-una kong pinag-isipan kung ano ba ang pwede ko mai-contribute dito sa city at sa station. Kasi this was my first time to be designated as the Chief of Police. Kaya kayo na lang ang humusga kung ano man ang nagawa natin during my term, and maraming salamat. Without you, hindi ko naman nagawa mga dapat nating ipinatupad na tama. So my only prayer is sana pagpatuloy lang natin ang ating tamang gawain at maayos na serbisyo kahit walang nakakakita, at sigurado hindi tayo mawawala sa landas. Sabi nga, ang paggawa natin ng mabuti ay hindi magdudulot ng masama. Kung ano man ang mga nagawa kong pagkukulang sa inyo, yung mga napagalitan ko at yung napasaktan, humihingi ako ng patawad kung nasobrahan man. Then that is my duties and responsibility as your leader. Then to the incoming Chief of Police, I know that he is more capable and will continue our PNP mission for the benefit of the community and station. To our Provincial Director, sir, to our Honorable Mayor, and City Council, sirs, agyaman naklaunay, sir, ititalakyo. Sapay la kumata ni Apo Diyos ti mangsubalit amin kadagita nga kinasaya ninyo. Sa aking may bahay, maraming salamat sa sakripisyo at pag-unawa palagi sa aking trabaho. Pero sanayan lang yan at ganun talaga pag nag-asawa ka ng pulis. So for now, I am going to face another path of my career at baon-baon ko ang mga natutunan ko sa inyong lahat. The learning, experience, and everything with the supervision of our provincial director, sir. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sir, ken Diyos ti agngina ken mangtarabay kada tayo amin.